But I want to speak to you about our unique voices. Studies show, in all seriousness, that our voices, trial lawyers' voices especially, make a difference in elections. And we should raise those voices, is my suggestion, to push back, to speak out when someone says the Justice Department has been criminalized, has been weaponized. Tell that person to call Hunter Biden and ask him about the double standard. Make sure you speak out, you push back. When someone says the election was stolen, the line that I hear from the right wing or the MAGA supporters is, the reason why we lost 61 cases is because we didn't get to put on our evidence. You might explain to them that you have to have a plausible case. You might quote Rudy Giuliani when he was asked by a judge in central Pennsylvania, a federal judge, I don't see any facts in this pleading. And Rudy responded, quite honestly, we don't have facts, but we have a theory. Push back, speak out when you hear any sort of lie about our judicial system. Speak out about the loss of individual liberty. Jury trials were the canary in the constitutional coal mine, and they chipped away at us until it is very difficult to get a case to trial. That was, of course, the effort of big business and combined with chambers of commerce and the Supreme Court. Even the liberals helped push that along. And if you read the cases, even Daubert, Justice Rehnquist, of all people, was one of the strongest advocates of our role, of the role of jury trials, the only form of real democracy in this country. All the rest of it is representative. This is direct. And when you hear people undermining faith in the judicial system, tell them you are undermining faith in the rule of law, which distinguishes us as a country. Remind them of Shelby County versus Holder, which attacked voting rights of minorities, and the predictable onslaught of voter suppression that came after that. Remind them, most recently, of Dobbs, which abruptly, for the first time in the history of this court, ended a constitutional protection. And I can tell you as a man in a feminist family, the women of this country and the men who care about them are outraged at the cessation of health care. Read abortion, however you want to say it. This court has no respect for stare decisis. It is, as I suggested to the good professor yesterday, apparently just a wing of the Republican Party. Speak out, push back when they talk about the criticism of Justice Thomas. Talk to them about a House of Representatives that will not impeach and a Senate that would not convict a justice who's on the take. We can't be blind to these things. We cannot sit quietly. I know, if you feel like people I know do, we feel overwhelmed by the lies. How do we talk to people? We speak out, we push back. We are trial lawyers. We can do that. Thank you.